Okay, so the lesson that I decided to do for my math lesson plan is multiplication. It's using the California State Standard to interpret products of whole numbers. So 5 times 7 as the total number of the objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. And the book I decided to use for this is the Hershey's Milk Chocolate Multiplication book. So for my lesson plan, it goes over different things. My intro would be to play this video for my students, and this video is basically just kind of like songs that students know and are familiar with, just the words are changed in their multiplication problems. And then after, I would read the book, the Hershey's Milk Chocolate Multiplication book, and I'd pass out 2 Hershey bar candies to each of my students. I would draw multiple chocolate bars on the board, and then I would even give the students a multiplication table that looks something like this one. So something like this, and I even incorporated a video on how to use this. So for example, 4 times 4 would be 16. So that's why the ones that, so like 1 times 1, it's in a box that's a little bit darker, and it's more bold. And then it goes all the way down to 10 times 10. And then to incorporate the methods that the book uses, I would use this worksheet. And of course, for some of the problems, they're not going to be able to use the chocolate bars because the numbers are too high, but they should be able to, because I did give them each 2 chocolate bars, so they would do 5 times 1, and then they would do the chocolate bar with just 1 row of 5, and then 6 times 2, so they would do either 6 of the little like squares of chocolate going to 6 and then down 2, and then that would equal 12. So just basically something like that to help them. And then their overall, what they should take from it is just that they should be able to know how the numbers align with the chart and how multiplication relates to their everyday life. And that's it.